Hi guys!
Welcome to Belgrade.
We made it, finally. It's a beautiful day! Hi, I'm B.
And I'm R.
We are average gals who love to explore the world.
We are best friends and roommates.
Part-time travelers with full-time jobs.
Based in beautiful Boise, Idaho, we love exploring our great state
And the other 49.
as much as we love exploring a new country.
We are slowly but steadily checking all the items off our bucket lists.
Come along as we make the most of our weekends
Holidays.
and vacation hours.
Thanks for following us here at Jane Sees the World.
Here we are on top of Batur where we huddled for the last hour.